Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like your to-do list is a never-ending monster, constantly growing and threatening to consume your entire life? Do you find yourself constantly putting out fires, reacting to urgent tasks instead of proactively pursuing your goals? If so, you are in the right place. In our last episode, we took a deep dive into the history and psychology of time, exploring why we humans are so often at odds with the clock. If you missed it, be sure to check it out. Today, in part 2 of our time management series, we're getting practical. We're arming you with the tools and techniques you need to become highly effective at managing your time. All right, let's jump right in. There's no magic bullet, no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to time management. But there are some tried and true techniques that can help you take control of your schedule and boost your productivity. Let's start with prioritization. Ever heard of the Eisenhower matrix? It's a fancy name for a simple but powerful tool that helps you figure out which tasks are actually important and which ones are just urgent-seeming imposters. You basically categorize your tasks into 4 quadrants: urgent important, not urgent important, urgent not important, and not urgent not important. This helps you focus your energy where it really matters. Then we have goal setting. This might seem obvious, but setting clear, specific, and achievable goals is like giving your day a roadmap. Without goals, you're just wandering aimlessly. Having well-defined goals provides a framework for your time management efforts and helps you stay motivated, even when things get tough. Now let's talk about planning and scheduling. Calendars, to-do lists, time blocking. These are your weapons in the battle against wasted time. Time blocking is a game changer. It's basically scheduling specific blocks of time for specific tasks. So instead of just saying, I'll work on that report today, you say, I'll work on the report from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. This creates a visual representation of your day and helps you stay on track. And if you have a huge, daunting task staring you down, break it down, chop it up into smaller, more manageable pieces. It's like solving a large puzzle. You do it one piece at a time. This makes the task seem less overwhelming and allows you to make progress incrementally. Oh, and have you heard of the Pomodoro technique? It's a lifesaver for anyone who struggles with focus. You work in focused 25-minute bursts followed by a short 5-minute break. After every 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break. This structured approach can help you maintain focus and avoid burnout, providing brief periods of rest and mental reset. Now let's talk about your environment. Eliminating distractions is key. We live in a world of constant distractions, from social media to email to that never-ending pile of laundry. Identify your biggest time thieves and banish them from your workspace, at least while you're trying to be productive. Consider using website blockers or turning off notifications to create a distraction-free zone. And if possible, create a dedicated workspace. Carve out a space in your home that is specifically for work. This helps signal to your brain that it's time to focus. Even if it is a corner of your kitchen table, make it yours. And let's not forget about optimizing our efforts. Taking breaks might sound counterintuitive, but regular breaks are essential for productivity. Your brain needs time to recharge. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to work in focused bursts with short breaks in between. Step away from your work, stretch, get some fresh air, and come back refreshed. If you are lucky enough to be able to, delegate. Don't try to be a superhero and do everything yourself. Delegating frees up your time for more important activities. And finally, learn to say no. This is a tough one for many of us, but it's crucial. Don't overcommit yourself. Learn to politely decline requests that don't align with your priorities or that you simply don't have time for. So there you have it, your time management toolkit. These are just a few of the many strategies that you can use to take control of your time. In today's hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel like you're always on, always working, always available. That's why achieving a healthy work-life balance is more important than ever. It's not just about being productive. it's about being happy and fulfilled, both in your professional and personal life. It is about taking the time to be present in the moment and enjoy all aspects of your life. So how do we do it? First, set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between work time and personal time. This could mean setting specific work hours, having a separate workspace if possible, and turning off those pesky work notifications when you're off the clock. Next, prioritize self-care. Make time for activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. This could be anything from exercise and meditation to spending time in nature or pursuing a hobby you love. Think of it as filling up your own tank so you have something to give to others. And please, nurture your relationships. Don't let work consume your life to the point where you neglect the people who matter most. Make time for meaningful connections with loved ones. Schedule regular time for family and friends and be truly present in those moments. Put your phone away, make eye contact, and listen actively. And finally, schedule downtime. Yes, you need to schedule relaxation. It sounds a little crazy, but in our busy lives, it's easy to forget to just chill. Intentionally schedule time for activities that help you unwind and de-stress. This could be reading a book, watching a movie, taking a bath, or simply doing nothing. Technology. It's a double-edged sword, isn't it? On the one hand, it's revolutionized the way we work and live, giving us access to information and tools that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. But on the other hand, it's brought with it a constant stream of distractions that can derail even the most focused among us. Did you know that the average person checks their phone nearly 100 times a day? That's almost 100 potential interruptions to your workflow, your thoughts, your life. And here's a sobering statistic. Only 37% of people feel like they have things under control at work 5 days a week. That means the majority of us are struggling to keep our heads above water, constantly battling the tide of emails, notifications, and digital distractions. So, what can we do? First, practice mindful technology use. Be intentional about how you use technology. It's easy to fall into the trap of mindless scrolling or getting sucked into the black hole of social media. Set boundaries for yourself and be aware of how much time you're spending on different apps and websites. But ironically, technology can also be part of the solution. There are tons of apps and software out there designed to help you manage your time and stay focused. Some apps can block distracting websites, track your time, and even help you build better habits. Explore what's out there and find what works for you. For instance, some apps automatically track your time spent on different websites or applications, giving you valuable insights into your productivity patterns. These insights can be eye-opening and help you make necessary adjustments. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more sophisticated tools and techniques for managing our time. Imagine AI-powered assistants that can schedule your meetings, prioritize your tasks, and even anticipate your needs. Automated time-tracking software that provides valuable insights into your productivity patterns. Or even wearable technology devices that monitor your activity levels and provide personalized recommendations for optimizing your time. The future of time management is exciting, and it's clear that technology will play a major role in shaping how we use our time. So there you have it, a toolkit of time management strategies and a glimpse into the future. But remember, mastering your time is just one piece of the larger puzzle of personal development. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, achieving your goals, and living a more fulfilling life. If you found this video helpful on your personal development journey, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and definitely hit that subscribe button. We have many more episodes planned on all aspects of personal growth, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.